This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials: a digital scale reading to 0, 1G, a small container, and your darts. Place the container, tear the scale, and then remove flights and shafts so you weigh the barrel alone. Why do this? Because shafts and flights add variable grams that mask the true dart weight. Once done, weigh each barrel separately and write values down. Make sure to note which barrel is paired with which shaft for later reassembly. Next, weigh each fully assembled dart on the same scale and record those numbers. You then subtract the barrel-only weight you previously measured to find how much mass comes from shaft and flight. This helps you see if inconsistencies come from components versus barrels. Once you have several measurements, calculate the average weight per dart to determine your typical throwing mass. Make sure to check both left and right-hand darts if you use different setups. Finally, decide on a target dart weight that feels comfortable, usually within 0. 5 to 1. 0G of your measured average so transitions are subtle. To reach that target, swap barrels, change shafts, or add small adhesive weights, and then reweigh assembled darts to confirm. If you notice persistent inconsistencies, troubleshoot by recalibrating the scale and remeasuring each component one more time. Make sure parts are clean and seated properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.